everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financial. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to find stocks on Etoro. To get started, let's open Etoro app. Make sure you have already installed on your device. This will open your interface. So now here you can see many options. Tap on discover icon as shown here. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you will also find stocks option. Click on it. And here you go, you're able to see your stocks. So in this way you can find stocks on your Etoro app. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.